Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to stop reading sakyo as a hashtag in X. If you're tired of hearing the pound sign as hashtag while using X, we have the solution for you. Let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Find the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Tap on Accessibility Display and Language. From the account menu, locate and tap on the Accessibility Display and Language option. This will take you to the accessibility and language settings of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Accessibility. Within the Accessibility and Language settings, find and tap on the Accessibility option. This is where you can manage various accessibility features of X. Step 5. Disable Pronounce Inchworn as hashtag. Within the accessibility settings, locate the option that says Pronounce Inchworn as hashtag and disable it. By doing so, you'll stop X from reading the pound sign as a hashtag. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to stop reading warn as a hashtag in X. Enjoy a smoother reading experience without the unnecessary hashtag pronunciation. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to stop reading watcher as a hashtag in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.